Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to get a modded version of the game CarX Street for iOS and Android. So as you can see, I'm pretty poor, but in the mod menu I can actually enable unlimited gold. So I'm going to go ahead and turn that on just to show you guys this actually works. So let me just turn it on right here just so you guys can see. And let's see if our resources go up or anything like that. So yeah, hopefully it works. So let's see what happens. And yeah, there's nothing happening. So I wish it worked. Yo, look at that. So I'm going to show you guys how to download this onto your device. As you can see, it's going up like crazy. So this is a new CarX Street Hack, guys. You've got to try it out. So I'm going to show you guys exactly to download it. So let's get into the video. All right, so the first step is going to be going to the website tweakmod.com, I believe. So let me just type it in right here. And on this site, guys, we're going to type CarX Street. And then go ahead and press install, and before it downloads there's going to be a verification. Okay, so this is the last step. Basically what it is you have to download 2 apps and follow instructions. They're 100% for free and they're from the official app store, right? So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So let's just wait for this to download here. As you can see, now it shouldn't take that long to download, so you guys should not be waiting that long. But if you on CarX Street all day all night, you know what it's like to be broke. Yeah, this actually works, guys. So I'm just going to wait for it to load here, as you can see. And now we just got to download 2 of these apps. It's pretty simple. So as you can see, missing files. So you just download 2 of them. You can see like TikTok down and run for 30 seconds. So I just press on it. It brings me to the App Store. I would download it. Or I could do like, Travel Town tells me to reach level 9. So I just press on it, press continue. And then just download it and reach level 9, bro. So yeah, I'll see you guys later, but that's how to do it. So this is super cool. So if you want to get a modded version of the game CarX Street onto your device, I mean, just try this out. The mod menu is so cool, bro. The settings are ready for you. It's so cool. So I'm going to see you guys later, and peace out, bro.